Ever wondered how to make an old-fashioned blackberry cobbler? This classic dessert, often baked in a Dutch oven, hails from a time of simpler living and resourceful cooking. Its comforting flavors and textures are sure to transport you back to a bygone era, whether you're gathered around a campfire or cozied up in your kitchen. To start, we need the following ingredients for the filling. Grab 4 cups of fresh blackberries and 1 to 1.5 cups of granulated sugar, 1/3 cup of water, and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch mixed with 2 tablespoons of water to make a slurry. For the dough, gather 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, half a cup of cold, unsalted butter cubed, and half a cup of whole milk. We'll also need some additional sugar for sprinkling on top later. Now to make the filling, combine the blackberries, sugar, and water in the Dutch oven. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves and the mixture starts to bubble. Then add the cornstarch slurry and stir continuously until the mixture thickens. Once done, go ahead and remove it from the heat. Now it's time to prepare the dough. In a mixing bowl, sift together the flour, baking powder, and salt. Add the cold cube butter and mix until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs. Gradually add the milk and stir until a dough forms. If the dough is too sticky, don't hesitate to add a little more flour. With the filling and dough ready, it's time to assemble the cobbler. If the filling is not already in your Dutch oven, pour it in. Drop spoonfuls of dough on top of the berry mixture. Remember, it doesn't need to be perfect because rustic is part of the charm. Sprinkle the top with a generous amount of sugar for a crispy crust. Now cover the Dutch oven and bake. If cooking outdoors, place coals on top of the lid and around the base to evenly distribute heat. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes or until the dough is cooked through and golden brown on top. If using an oven, bake uncovered for the same amount of time or until golden and bubbly. Once it's done, let the cobbler cool slightly before serving. It's delicious on its own or with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. There you have it, an old-fashioned blackberry cobbler that perfectly captures the essence of comfort food. The rich, tangy taste of blackberries coupled with a fluffy and golden topping is sure to be a hit with family and friends. Enjoy this delightful throwback to simpler times and savor each comforting bite.